Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone in Uno game. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the friends option in the bottom section of your screen. Here you can go to search option, and in the search bar you can type in the ID of the person that you want to report, or you can simply go to your friends list. And if your friend is the one that you want to report, tap on his or her profile. Click on the report option. Then tap on confirm button. Now if you want this player to add in your block list, then tap on confirm button. And that is how you can report someone in Uno game. You'll also have to keep in mind that you can only report someone when you reach level 5. So that is how you can report someone in Uno game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.